walking through nature, and I found a chicken. I'm just kidding, this chicken's been with us for like a year now. It's not ours, but it's a free roam chicken. It's been captured by property. So it came out and ate bread. Also, bird. Other bird. Right there. Other bird. Boom. Still pretty light. Sparrow. And you got Denethor. Oh my gosh, the scenery. It's beautiful. It's chicken eating bread. Doesn't get any better than that. Also that random minor bed. Anyways, we called a tour. It's the Fijian meaning for chicken. You probably don't care about that, but who cares? Tor been captured by the house. It broke free for a while. And never mind about it. Look, tree. Also, trees. What the flip was that noise? Hello. Hi there, Tor. Oh, is he no the bread? Like it. That's where right there's where my bed is. And there's Tor. You clean your beak, Tor. We got birds in the tree, birds in these trees, birds in this tree, that tree. Balcony. We also have Tor. You're going away now, Tor. Don't leave. Oh no, I'm just cleaning a beak. No, don't leave me. Don't leave me, Tor. Yeah, clean your beak. Well, it's fast. Oh, there goes Tor. Back into the wilderness. And there she goes. Back under that random car. Oh, now she's going under the car. And she's run off. She left bread. It looks like a sad face. Bye, Tor. See if you ever escape your prison. That's the end. Nature! But mostly this tree. I like this tree. Also, this. Oh gosh, the sun! It's blinding! I don't know if you can hear me. Jeez. But we've got trees. Literally a whole damn front lawn of grass. No, I'm going to avoid footpath because it hurts my feet unless it's this part. But it's all good. And yeah. We got my front yard. Looks really fantastic. It's got trees and grass. And also, that place, it sucks. Then we've got a dam. Should've worn shoes. But, anyways, a bit wobbly. Things didn't really go to plan. Just made this video to show off tour, but oh my gosh! How dare they enjoy Tour's food? Oh my gosh, it's a bunch of miners. Miner beds, I mean. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Press like if you like birds and nature. Press dislike if you don't. And if you enjoy my videos so much, offer to press the subscribe button, because I already have 13 subscribers. Anyways, that's all for today. Bye, Tui. That was a Tui. Anyways. Would you shut up? Anyways. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I'll see you later. Maybe at Pokemon. Bye. Is that a Tui or a miner bed? Right? Where is it? There. On that branch. It's like a limb. Can't really see it because it's being... Yeah. You see it, right? Right there. It's interrupting my video. You scumbag. Still birds eating. Bye! Press the stop button. No, don't press the screen.